How to set a default font in Microsoft Outlook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. Open up your Outlook and then head over to File in the top left corner. Now you need to go to Options in the bottom left, and then something like this will pop up. Go to Mail in the left hand side and you'll find stationery and fonts. Tap on it. There you can see the font that you're currently using. Just tap on font and then just tap on the drop down and choose the font of your choice. You can change the font style, the font size, and even the font color. And hit OK after you're done making the changes. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.